SpaceX's revolution continues with the launch of the first Starlink direct-to-cell satellites. Being no stranger to innovation, SpaceX unveils a game-changer, the Starlink direct-to-cell satellite project. SpaceX aims to revolutionize our communication systems. These satellites will directly link to cell phones, no need for ground stations. The implications of this technology are immense. It promises global connectivity, even in the most remote corners of our world. Detractors question whether SpaceX can deliver on these ambitious promises. Yet, looking at their track record, we can't ignore the possibility. Undoubtedly, the success of this project will have profound impacts on our lives. It could redefine the world as we know it. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this exciting development. SpaceX's Starlink project might just be the future of global communication.